Only thing that keeps me up when I'm feeling down. I don't know about you, but I gotta keep mine around. Cause I done look, I done searched, and it's hard to find another.
Please on the track, nigga.
Baby, that's time. Addicted to how
This is going out to all the shorties around the world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I always say this, hey guys. My mom always makes fun of me for my intro when I say hey guys. It's like, hey guys, because it's just so like usual. My name is Myla Simone and I'm here today with a Prom 2018 makeup tutorial. If you are new, welcome to the Glam Fam. And before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss another video. Oh honey, because I'm telling you y'all, I'm getting better at this makeup stuff and it's not no joke. Hold on. Although I am not going to prom, I'm a senior and my school doesn't have a senior prom, they only have junior prom. I know many schools do have senior prom and many freshmen and sophomores are getting asked to junior prom and seniors are getting asked to junior prom. Nonetheless, I created this beautiful emerald green bluish, I don't know, it's just so pretty. Like it's just so like, oh. I wanted to make this video especially for girls who are doing their own makeup this year for prom, because I know last year when I went to prom I did my own makeup and I was so stressed out. So yeah, in this video I included a few drugstore products for you guys to use, especially the eyeshadow palette and the lashes, a few of my favorite drugstore foundations that I would recommend you use if you did use drugstore foundation. Otherwise, girl, if your money is long, you feel me, honey? If your money long and you got it like that, then do you, boo. You know, you don't have to go drugstore. You can do Prestige, NARS, Smashbox, MAC, Tarte, Shape Tape. Just for the people who wanted to save money and still look cute on a budget, I got your back covered in this video, girl. I'm not gonna talk too much longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, as always, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. I will list those accounts down below in the description box. I hope you guys have fun at prom. Take pictures, send them to me on Snapchat, Instagram, DM me, whatever. I want to see y'all dresses. I want to see y'all makeup. Even if you do your own makeup and it turns out to be a complete flop, I want to see, girl. Send me a picture of your shoes, bracelets, jewelry. Send it all, like send it all. No nudes, but yeah, I don't want your nudes. It was this quote on Instagram said, when he said send me nudes, and like the girl was all dressed up in a nude outfit. It was so cute. It wasn't like nude, but like it was like as in the color nude. Like it was like a nude color. I hope you guys have fun, be safe. As always, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah. To prime my eyes, I will be using the MAC Select Cover Up. However, if you wanted to use a drugstore concealer, they definitely have them. LA Girl Pro Concealer is really good as well. It's drugstore, super duper affordable. I think it's like $3 and some change. But yeah, definitely very affordable. Drugstore brush that you guys can use is the e.l.f. concealer brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this concealer on my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. Now I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and you do not have to use this one. Once again, NYX has a translucent powder, which is like, I want to say like $5. It's really, really good. But another good powder to set underneath the eyes is Airspun powder from the drugstore. So the first palette I will be using is the NYX Vivid Brights palette. This you can find at Target's, Ulta, Walgreens, CVS. It's literally almost everywhere. It's super duper affordable. I think this palette was like $16 or something. I don't know. I'll enter like the price right here. The first shade I will be going in with is this mustard yellow color right here, and I'm just going to blend that in my crease for a transition color. I'm using this smaller Morphe brush, and I'm just going to take this green shade right here for my next transition color. I'll be using the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. I'm taking a different brush. This is my MAC 217 fluffy brush. I'll be going in with this color right here, placing that in my crease as well. So you don't want to get too messy with your colors. I am going to take that brush from Morphe that I had the green shade on from the NYX palette. I'm just going back over where I already placed the green. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Taking that color, I'm going down here on the outer corner like so. Blend, blend, blend. So I'm gonna take a dome-shaped brush, taking this blue right here, and I'm just gonna pop that right here. Blending it in. So I'm taking this yellow from the Zulu palette, and it's super duper bright. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back up here and blend, blend, blend my little heart away. I will be using a drugstore flat brush, which looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush into the concealer. I'm gonna look down or close my eyes, whichever one works best for you, and literally take the brush, go right in the center of my eye, and drag the concealer down. So like so. I'm gonna look up to see where my crease is and look down. Then you can start spreading your concealer. Then I'm just gonna take my finger and just tap the sides to blend it in. It should look something like this. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Vivid Brights palette again, and I'm taking another dome-shaped eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in with that blue color right here. Close to the halo eye. Let me get close because this is kind of like, I can't explain it, so just watch. Just kind of dragged it in close to the halo eye. And I'm gonna take this shade right here, place that a little further away. I'm gonna take that shade JADA, which is this one right here. Apply that on the outer corner as well, and the inner corner. Drag it to the outer corner. Drag this to the inner corner. Taking a completely different fluffy brush, a clean one, and just blending, blending, blending. I will be using this affordable glitter glue from NYX. This is called the NYX Glitter Primer. An alternative that you can do is use eyelash glue. If you got those coins to buy you some expensive Too Faced, which is, by the way, always in stock, there you go. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit, apply it onto just the center of my eye. For glitter, I'm going to be using this drugstore glitter. It is from Model's Own. It is a drugstore company if you guys weren't aware. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with my NYX Vivid Brights palette. Taking this blue color once again right there, right on top of the glitter. I'll go in with my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take this shade again. Dragging the outer corner out and the inner corner in. And I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking this extremely smoky green color. Outer corner out and the inner corner in. Jaclyn Hill palette and take the shade Twerk on top of the shadows a little bit, just to give it some life, you know. So last but not least, I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliner in the shade Distortion. I'm going to apply these Ardell Wispy Lashes off camera. This is in the style 600. I'm going to prep and prime my face using the Smashbox Primer Water. Prime my face with that. So refreshing. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Stick Foundation. This is the Matte Velvet in the shade Benars Medium Dark 3. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep.
Won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, baby, if it's meant to be. Shorty pop it, shorty type it, should've stayed there all night, babe.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Espresso to contour.
Get back up with you, oh yeah, we used to pick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up.
I'm gonna go ahead and set under my eyes with some Laura Mercier translucent powder and not bake, because baking is not my friend. Them smile lines, because girl, them smile lines is nothing to play with. They will ruin your life and have you out in these streets looking stupid. For lower lash line, I'm only using the shades that from Juvia's Place palette and the NYX Vivid Brights palette. And take that mustard yellow color right here from the NYX palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge it. Bluish color right here. This shade right here. I'm gonna take that Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliner and just go right in the center lower lash line. I will be using the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe highlighter. I'm lining my lips with this MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this NYX matte lipstick in the shade Cairo. And for a gloss, because I absolutely hate matte, it's a drugstore brand. It cost me like $6 or $8. This is in the shade Sparkling Rose. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, I don't know if I want to use this one. I think I'm gonna use the e.l.f. one. No, I'm not gonna use Sparkling Rose. I'm gonna use, this is the same one. It's the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss, but this is in the shade Champagne Glam. It's more of a nude color. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Chill. Sorry, this is not the All Nighter. This is the Chill Setting Spray. So yes, I'll be back after I let my camera get some juice on it to show you the rest of my makeup.